This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by inspecting the sunglasses closely so you know what to repair. Look at the hinge, screws, nose pads, and lens fit. Once identified, gather a small Phillips and flat screwdriver, a magnifier, superglue or epoxy, a toothpick, and a lint-free cloth. Set a clean, flat surface and use a tray to hold tiny parts. Make sure to work under good light so you don't lose screws. Begin with the simplest fix, tightening or replacing a screw. Then move to glue or pad repair as needed. Once the tools are ready, remove the tiny screw carefully and check threads. If stripped, swap to a slightly larger screw or add a small shim. Tighten screws until snug, do not over-tighten, or use a drop of removable thread locker for security. If the hinge is bent, realign it with gentle pressure and only use a minimal amount of high-quality glue on a clean break. Make sure to clamp until set. For lenses that pop out, press evenly into the groove and check nose pad alignment. To finish, clean the lenses with a microfiber cloth and inspect the frame alignment. Sit them on a flat surface to confirm symmetry. Make sure temples open smoothly and the bridge rests comfortably. Adjust by bending heat-softened acetate or metal arms gently. If glue seeped, remove excess carefully with a cotton swab and acetone, but test on a hidden spot first. If things still fail, use spare screws or visit a professional, and keep a small repair kit in your case to prevent future surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.